Have you ever stopped to think about how quickly money is changing? The crinkle of cash and the swipe of a plastic card are slowly becoming relics of a bygone era. We are living in the middle of a massive financial technology, or fintech revolution. This isn't just about convenience, it's about a fundamental shift in how we earn, spend, save, and invest our money. The digital currency landscape is expanding at an incredible pace, creating new opportunities and challenges for consumers and investors alike. Understanding this new world is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone looking to secure their financial future in an increasingly digital economy. New platforms and technologies are emerging every day, promising to make financial services faster, cheaper, and more accessible to everyone. From instant peer-to-peer payments to complex decentralized finance ecosystems, the possibilities seem endless. Now let's explore why one particular company is making such significant waves in the fintech and digital currency space, and why it might just be the top stock to watch right now. When you think of online payments, one name universally comes to mind: PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. For over 2 decades, PayPal has been a pioneer, building a global empire based on trust, security, and unparalleled ease of use. The company's massive user base creates a powerful network effect, attracting more merchants and users in a self-reinforcing cycle. PayPal's dominance isn't just about its history, it's about its continuous evolution. From its early days as an eBay payment solution to its current status as a multifaceted fintech ecosystem, PayPal has consistently adapted to changing consumer behaviors and technological advancements. It has successfully expanded its services to include not just online checkout but also in-person payments, peer-to-peer transfers through its Venmo subsidiary, credit services, and business solutions. The sheer scale of PayPal's operations is staggering, processing trillions of dollars in payment volume annually. Its brand is one of the most recognized and trusted in the financial world. While newer, more disruptive companies often capture headlines, PayPal's established infrastructure and massive user base give it a unique advantage. This unique positioning is precisely why so many analysts and investors are watching PayPal so closely as we move deeper into the digital age. When evaluating a company for long-term investment, it's crucial to look beyond the short-term noise of market fluctuations and focus on the underlying fundamentals. For PayPal, the long-term outlook remains decidedly bullish, a sentiment shared by many seasoned market analysts. PayPal has multiple avenues for growth, from its core payment processing business to its expanding portfolio of financial services. One of the key drivers of this long-term bullish thesis is PayPal's strategic positioning within the digital currency ecosystem. By offering services to buy, hold, and sell select cryptocurrencies, PayPal is making these digital assets accessible to its massive user base. As mainstream adoption of digital assets continues to grow, PayPal is perfectly positioned to be the primary on-ramp for millions of consumers. The company's trusted brand and user-friendly interface lower the barrier to entry, potentially accelerating the entire industry's growth. The combination of a dominant market position, diverse revenue streams, and a strategic embrace of digital currencies creates a compelling narrative for sustained growth. For investors willing to play the long game, PayPal represents a powerful way to gain exposure to the future of finance. In a bold move that sent ripples through both the traditional finance and digital currency worlds, PayPal launched its very own stablecoin in 2023, known as PayPal USD, or PYUSD. A stablecoin is a type of digital currency designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset, in this case, the US dollar. By launching PYUSD, PayPal is not merely facilitating crypto transactions, it is creating its own branded, regulated, and fully backed digital dollar. This move signals a profound commitment to integrating blockchain technology into the very core of its payment infrastructure. It has the potential to revolutionize payments by offering the benefits of digital currencies, such as near-instantaneous transfers and 24/7 availability, without the price volatility associated with assets like Bitcoin. For merchants, this could mean faster settlement times and lower transaction fees. Because PYUSD is issued by a trusted entity like PayPal and is designed to be fully backed by US dollar deposits, it offers a level of security and reliability that many other stablecoins lack. This move firmly plants PayPal at the intersection of Web 2 and Web 3, creating a bridge for its hundreds of millions of users to seamlessly enter the world of decentralized finance. By controlling its own stablecoin, PayPal can create a frictionless experience within its ecosystem, enabling new features and services that would be impossible with traditional payment rails alone. The launch of PYUSD is a clear declaration of PayPal's ambition to not just participate in the future of finance, but to be one of its principal architects. This strategic move could cement its role as a central player in the Web 3 era. No company, not even a titan like PayPal, can build the future alone. Recognizing this, PayPal has been actively forging strategic partnerships with other key players in the finance and technology sectors to accelerate the adoption and utility of its new offerings, especially its stablecoin. By teaming up with other industry leaders, PayPal can extend its reach, enhance its capabilities, and ensure its technologies are integrated seamlessly into the platforms and services that people already use every day. A prime example of this strategy in action is PayPal's recent partnerships with companies like Coinbase and Fiserv. Teaming up with Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, helps bridge the gap between PayPal's massive user base and the broader crypto market. The partnership with Fiserv, a global leader in payments and financial services technology, is equally significant. By working with Fiserv, PayPal can help integrate PYUSD and other digital payment solutions directly into the traditional banking infrastructure. Such partnerships are crucial for taking a digital currency from a niche online asset to a mainstream medium of exchange. This collaborative spirit demonstrates a deep understanding of the ecosystem and is a key reason why PayPal is so well positioned for long-term success in the digital currency race. A common mistake investors make is viewing PayPal as a simple payment button on a website. The company has skillfully cultivated a diverse range of revenue streams that contribute to its financial strength and stability. From consumer credit and business loans to international remittances and gateway services, PayPal has built a comprehensive financial services ecosystem. One of the most significant and often overlooked revenue drivers is its merchant services division. Beyond simple transaction processing, PayPal offers a full suite of tools for businesses of all sizes. These value-added services create stickier relationships with merchants, generating recurring revenue that is less susceptible to fluctuations in consumer spending. Furthermore, PayPal's international money transfer service, Xoom, represents another crucial revenue pillar. The global remittance market is enormous, and by offering a faster, more convenient, and often cheaper alternative to traditional services, PayPal has captured a significant share of this market. Finally, the monetization of its Venmo platform is an increasingly important part of the story. Initially known for its social, peer-to-peer payments, Venmo has evolved into a commercial platform. As Venmo continues to grow its user base and commercial applications, its contribution to PayPal's bottom line is expected to become even more substantial. In the competitive world of fintech, loyalty and rewards programs are a key battleground for winning and retaining customers. PayPal is not just competing, it is innovating by integrating digital currencies directly into its reward system. Recently, users have observed PayPal offering rewards in the form of Bitcoin at various locations. Instead of receiving a few cents or points back on a purchase, users can earn a small fraction of Bitcoin. This move transforms a standard rewards program into an educational and engaging experience. This integration of Bitcoin into its rewards is a low-risk way for PayPal to introduce millions of its users to the world of digital assets. By offering it as a reward, PayPal removes that friction entirely. Users can start accumulating Bitcoin passively just by making their everyday purchases. This process helps to demystify digital currencies and makes owning them feel normal and accessible. From a business perspective, this strategy is incredibly clever. By weaving Bitcoin into the fabric of its platform through rewards, PayPal is normalizing its use and preparing its user base for a future where digital and traditional currencies coexist seamlessly. No discussion of a financial technology company would be complete without a serious look at security. In the digital age, trust is the ultimate currency, and any breach of that trust can have devastating consequences. PayPal built its empire on the promise of secure transactions, and for a long time, this was seen as one of its strongest competitive advantages. However, the landscape of digital threats is constantly evolving, and the rise of sophisticated artificial intelligence tools has created new and formidable challenges for the entire industry. Recently, some investors have expressed renewed concerns about PayPal's security. An individual, despite having robust security measures like two-factor authentication enabled on their accounts, fell victim to a highly sophisticated hack. The attackers allegedly used AI-powered voice mimicry to impersonate the victim, deceive customer service representatives, and gain access to sensitive accounts. This event was a wake-up call for the entire financial sector. The critical question is how PayPal is responding. Is the company staying ahead of the curve, or is it playing catch-up? While the emergence of AI-driven security threats is a serious concern, it is also a catalyst for innovation. PayPal is acutely aware that its reputation and business depend on its ability to protect its users. The company invests hundreds of millions of dollars each year into its security infrastructure, employing thousands of specialists dedicated to fraud prevention, threat detection, and risk management. The company is actively developing and deploying next-generation security measures to counter emerging threats, including those posed by artificial intelligence. PayPal is leveraging its own advanced AI and machine learning algorithms to fight back. the company's systems analyze trillions of data points from its global network in real time to identify unusual patterns and flag potentially fraudulent activity before a transaction is even completed. This proactive approach is far more effective than simply reacting to threats after they occur. Furthermore, the company is constantly working to improve its authentication methods, moving beyond traditional passwords and SMS-based two-factor authentication. The security concerns raised by investors are valid, but they must be viewed in the context of PayPal's massive and ongoing commitment to adaptation. PayPal sits at a market cap of $65.03 billion and its translating scale into earnings, posting EPS of 4.67 that prices the stock at a PE of 14.58. For 2024, revenue reached $31.79 billion while net income came in at $4.17 billion, figures that underscore a mature payments platform, still throwing off solid profitability. In other words, you're looking at a large-cap fintech with double-digit earnings per share, a mid-teens valuation multiple, and multi-billion-dollar top and bottom lines anchoring the story. For investors, this demonstrates a resilience that is essential for long-term success in the fintech industry. After examining its market dominance, long-term bullish outlook, game-changing stablecoin, strategic partnerships, and evolving approach to both rewards and security, the picture becomes clear. PayPal is not just a payment processor, it is a dynamic and resilient fintech ecosystem that is actively building the future of digital finance. While valid concerns about competition and security exist, PayPal's proactive strategies and deep commitment to innovation demonstrate its capacity to meet these challenges head-on. Its diverse revenue streams provide financial stability, while its integration of Bitcoin into its rewards program cleverly drives user engagement and adoption. These are not the actions of a company that is standing still. They are the moves of a confident industry leader that is shaping the market rather than reacting to it. PayPal is leveraging its greatest assets, its trusted brand and its massive global network to bring millions of people into the next generation of finance. As we look to the future, the critical question is this: do you believe a regulated user-friendly stablecoin like PYUSD, issued by a trusted giant like PayPal, will be the key to unlocking mainstream adoption of digital currencies? In conclusion, while no stock is without risk, PayPal presents a compelling case as the top fintech stock to consider right now. Its combination of established dominance and forward-thinking innovation makes it a standout in a crowded field.